Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some angel food cake. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our angel food cake, we're going to begin up here at the top. I want to begin by making the little strawberry. So I'm going to start here and we just want to make a little line that's just going to curve up and down. Then starting here, we'll make a little line that's just going to curve around. Right here, I'm just going to make a couple little bumps. Now, starting here, I want to draw a line that's going to come out here. And we'll do the same thing over here. Just bring it out a little bit. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And we want to make this icing, so I'm going to make some thin little lines that are different sizes. And we're just going to make a little bit of like some wavy icing across here. Right here, I'm going to make a little broken line that comes across. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down on each side. Then for the bottom, we want to connect it with a nice curve because these are usually kind of rounded. Now on here, I want to make a little face. I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for an eye. Leave some space, and then I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to add a little black dot for a pupil inside each one. Or make a little line across with a nice big smiley face and a little sad face for the tongue. Then we can just color this part in really quickly for the inside of the mouth. Now, because this is supposed to be angel food cake, let's just kind of make it have a little bit of like an angel look. I'm going to begin right here by drawing a line that comes up, and then we'll make another line that comes up here. I'll draw a line that comes out on each side. And then I'm just going to add a few little bumpy lines that come back. We'll do the same thing here. We'll add a few more little bumpy lines that come back. Right here, I'll make a line that goes out and then comes back. Make another one. We're going to go out and bring it back. And one more, out and bring it back. Same thing here. We're going to go out, bring it back towards the wing. We'll make a line that comes out. We'll bring it back here. And then one more. We're going to go out and bring it right back to the cake. Now, starting up here, we want to make the halo. So what you want to do is just make a really skinny oval shape. So we're just going to make a nice skinny oval. Then we're going to make another skinnier oval around it. So we're just going to make a line that curves up and down. And a line that goes down and then back up for the halo. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon angel food cake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.